how to remove your card details on Amazon, or how you can add a new payment method and remove the old ones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can remove card details from Amazon website, and then go ahead and also try to change the payment method and adding a new one. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just head over to amazon.com and go to the option called your account, and again select the option that says your account. And once you choose the your account option, on the next page select the option that says payment options. Once you do so, you will see a list of all the payment methods currently attached to your account. And in my case, I've got a lot, and about half of them are actually expired. Now to remove an expired payment method or just one you no longer use, click the little downward facing arrow to expand the payment method details and click the option called delete button. Now click the confirm delete button just like this, and that method will be gone from the list. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just click on confirm delete. Once you do so, go through and remove any of the old cards. So as you can see, this is my much tidier list, and this is just to remove your card details on Amazon. Now we will get to the option of how to change your payment method. Now that a list of cards on your account is looking a lot better, it's time to change the default settings. Now what you want to do is over in the left hand sidebar, click the option called click settings, as you could see, and at the top of the list you will see your default payment and address options. And note that even that you're looking for your number one click preferences, that same default payment method is used for Alexa, Kindle and other digital purchases too. Now you can change the default payment method in one of two ways. If you see another payment method listed further down on the page, you can click the make default option. So as you can see over here, button to the right of that method to make it the default. If you do this, whatever nickname and shipping method you have attached to that method also become the default. And that's all it takes to actually remove your credit card or any of the other cards related to your Amazon account. Change the default payment method and then add a new one. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.